G'day team, another quick AI tool called QuestionWell that allows you to create a quiz within minutes. The beauty about this tool is that it exports directly to a number of different other programs, namely Kahoot and Blooket, and a number of different Google products as well. So let's give it a go. You click try it out. I've pre-made some already for us. So you put a title in. I've copied some text that I'll be reading with the kids. If you wanted, you could put outcomes from Victorian curriculum, and then you click generate set. And what that does is the AI technology analyzes the texts that you've copied in, it analyzes the heading, and then it creates a quiz from that data. The second example I want to show you is I'm going to do another quiz on sustainability. If I were to read this particular document called sustainability, it's a PDF document that's saved in my Google Drive. If I wanted to read that one with my kids, instead of copying and pasting the text, what you can do is you can copy the link of the actual Google Drive PDF and paste it into this reading section. And what that gives QuestionWell access to is the PDF document ready to go. Okay, so do the same thing. You click generate set and it will analyze the PDF document and create some quiz questions. Okay, back to my first quiz that I created. Here are all the questions. You'd obviously go through them, make sure that they're all okay. I'm just going to select them all for now, and I'm going to export them to Kahoot. Okay, once you click that, it will automatically download your file. So if I go to Kahoot, and I go to create Kahoot from a blank canvas, I'm going to add a question. And if I scroll down the bottom here, I'm going to import the spreadsheet. Once I select that file I've downloaded, it was the first fleet. Once you upload it, it'll give you a big green tick to make sure all the questions are okay. And here they are, the questions. All right, if I go to Blooket, let's see the sustainability of the 3 R's. Once again, you can download it and export it to Blooket. And if I go to Blooket, I'm going to import it with a CSV. I'm going to call it sustainability 3 R's. Go to create. If I upload the CSV, here it is. Go to open, and there are the questions. Any questions, just yell out. Thanks, team.